Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We've been seeing some rain showers moving across our western and northern counties this morning. That activity is expected to wind down as we go towards the midday time frame. Although some of these clouds will likely stick around. We'll call it partly cloudy skies here for today. Looks like maybe another batch of cloud cover moving in this evening and tonight. With that could be maybe a few stray showers, but we're not expecting a whole lot with that here throughout today or tonight for that matter. Then the clouds will continue to move out for tomorrow, and that will leave us with a sunny sky for your Wednesday before we'll expect more clouds into Thursday and especially Friday. However, one caveat to that, you have some wildfire smoke and haze that is moving on in from some wildfires off in the western and northwestern portion of the country. And that's going to give us that hazy sky yet again for today and tomorrow. In fact, we could be seeing that haze sticking around through the rest of this work week. And most of that, though, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so it doesn't have a huge impact on air quality for us. Might get down to the moderate category, but that's still going to be okay for most people. But the sky will probably look a little bit gray or muted, and the sunrises, sunsets probably looking more orangey or reddish compared to what they normally would be. So some more vibrant colors out there. Otherwise, we're going to see a fairly strong south wind today, gusts around 25 miles per hour, sustained at 10 to 20. And then the south wind will continue tonight and through the rest of this work week. And that's going to help to heat things up throughout the 80s, getting all the way up to near 90 by Thursday. Then the clouds will take over, so we're going to cool down slightly for Friday and the weekend. And then we'll still be above normal into next week as highs remain in the mid 80s. But again, it's still that dry heat. We're not expecting a lot of humidity as the dew points will be in the low to mid 50s here up until at least Friday, and then low 60s for Saturday. Even that's not going to be too horrible outside, although we may see the humidity increasing a little bit more for next week. Now highs today should be about the upper 70s to mid 80s. Took them down a little bit because of the cloud cover and because of the haze for today, but still slightly above normal. Tonight, partly cloudy. You're going to look at lows down to about the mid and upper 50s. City by city forecast here. We'll look at the sunshine for tomorrow, hazy sunshine at that. Mid 80s across the area, and then should be the mid to upper 80s for Thursday, with clouds increasing from south to north as tropical storm, what is now Tropical Storm Francine, will be making landfall and will be moving kind of across the Mississippi River to the north. And that's where our cloud cover comes from for Friday and Saturday, which should help cool temperatures down a little bit. Sunday, a slight rain chance, kind of up in the air right now. Next week should be dry with partly cloudy skies and highs remaining in the mid 80s.